Hey there, welcome to ELEATION. If you're just starting out with C programming, it's totally normal to make a few mistakes. But don't worry, in this video, we are going to talk about the top 5 mistakes beginners make in C programming and, more importantly, how you can avoid them. Plus, stick around to learn how you can join ELEATION's C training program to really master C programming and boost your career. Let's dive in. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is forgetting to initialize their variables. In C, if you don't give your variables an initial value, they may contain garbage data, leading to unexpected results. The simple fix: always initialize your variables before using them. This ensures your program behaves as expected. Another common mistake is misusing the semicolon. In C programming, a semicolon is used to end statements. However, placing a semicolon right after a condition, like in an if statement, can lead to logic errors that are hard to catch. To avoid this, always double-check where you are using your semicolons. Memory leaks are a major issue for beginners. When you allocate memory dynamically, it's your responsibility to free it when you're done. If you forget, it leads to memory leaks, which can crash your program. Always pair your malloc or calloc with a free to manage memory efficiently. This is a tricky one that trips up a lot of beginners. The equals operator is for assignment, while double equals to is for comparison. Accidentally using equals in a conditional will assign a value rather than check it, causing logical errors. Always be careful when writing your conditions. Beginners often ignore compiler warnings, thinking they're not important. But warnings are there to help you avoid potential bugs and improve your code. Make it a habit to read and fix warnings to ensure your code is robust and error-free. Now that you know the top mistakes to avoid, are you ready to take your C programming skills to the next level? At ELEATION, we offer a C training program designed to help you master C programming from the basics to advanced topics. Register now for just ₹1,000 and get a discount of ₹14.99. Plus, you'll get lifetime access, real-world projects, a training certificate, and an internship project. Scan the QR code on your screen to sign up now and take your programming career to new heights. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more programming tips and tutorials. Don't forget to scan the QR code and join ELEATION's C training program today. We'll see you in the next video.